Hey guys, NICCI VOX here, and do me a favor and dab on that subscribe button. Today we got a lot of fun. We're going to be going over all sorts of cute animal holiday tweets featuring Ed Sheeran, the Ginger Ed Man. It is so adorable. I know you guys are going to love it. So it starts out with tweets that were showing a video, and I got some clips of it. And you can see Ed Sheeran's little Ginger Ed Man is singing. He kind of looks over at it, and then the singing stops. Well, unfortunately, the Ginger Ed Man is now an Edless Ginger Ed Man. Get it? No? Too soon? I'm just kidding. Alright, so then we've got Daniel Don Cosino says, a very Merry Christmas to all my K9 unit officers from your captain. But may I also remind you that there is no more peeing on fire hydrants like last year when you've had too much cheer, since the mayor chewed my patootie. Are we clear, or do I have to poop on your heads? That one's adorable. Here we've got the Sims. It's got a little puppy sitting, waiting patiently under the tree, but the presents are already there. They're already there. This one we've got Love Kittens Daily. I thought it'd be cute to get a photo with my kitty with fairy lights. So cute. I love that face. This one's adorable. It's a little cute, adorable puppy that's sleeping, and he's got a little red sweater on. Ah! Say hello to Izzy. She is very serious about her festive headwear. She looks very festive. 10. We rate dogs. This is Bud. He decided to get his human a card this year. He picked it out himself. He really hopes that you like it. How many ways are you special? Let me count. This is when fingers would come in handy. Merry Christmas. He doesn't have any fingers. He just has paws. Aww. Poor Bud. We Rate Dogs also rates pigs. We got this cutie that's kind of wrapped up in Christmas lights a little bit here. So he looks adorable. He's so festive. Or she. We Rate Dogs also has Say Hello to Izzy. Oh, here's Izzy again. And now she's wearing a very proper, nice chapeau. We Rate Dogs again. We've got Delilah. She wants to show off her gingerbread man bandana. Oh, she's so cute. They gave her a 12 out of 10 as well. Oh, she has a heart on her nose. You guys, she has a heart on her nose. Oh. Okay, you guys, I had to go back to this one because it's so cute. I mean, baby Cocker Spaniel sleeping in a sweater. So adorable. Alright, this is one of my favorite ones. Simon's cat is adorable. It says, Merry Christmas, furry friends. And he does these little YouTube videos that shows off the real personalities of cats. It's adorable. Check it out sometime. We've got We Rate Dogs again. This is Barkley. Every Christmas he chops down a tree and claims the stump as his own. Nobody knows why. We've got Aw Cats. I put one of those Christmas bows on my cat's head and her reaction was just too adorably goofy. I've done that before with my kitty cat. She's so cute. Cute emergency. Okay, not Christmas themed per se, but it was tweeted around Christmas. It's a baby lamb sleeping on a pig. It's adorable. Emergency pugs. What do you want for Christmas? Me? Baby pug. Oh, that's so cute. We couldn't have a Christmas without a grumpy cat. So we've got a grumpy cat picture on top of presents. And she looks so cute even though she's so grumpy. Oh, this is Little Bub at I Am Little Bub. She got some milk and cookies for Santa. She's so cute. Alright guys, I really hope that you like that. If you guys haven't checked out the Cutiekins at www.vox70.com, definitely go do that. They're adorable, they're so cute. And we're going to start launching products soon. Did you guys spy the upside down heart? If not, go find it. Then comment down below #heart and let me know which picture it's in. Please dab on that subscribe button if you guys want to see more. And if you like what you see, please help us make more videos. You can become a Patreon by going to patreon.com/NICCIVOX. Join that viral Voxy crew. Help us make more videos. Thank you so very much for watching. Definitely dab on that subscribe, like button. I cannot talk. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye!